Welcome to this tutorial on how to convert low-quality video into 4K HDR using Capcut Mobile. This guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of enhancing your video quality and making it look more professional. First, open the Capcut Mobile app and select the video you want to edit. Once the video is uploaded, go to the Settings menu and select the Resolution option. In this menu, you will see various resolution options, including 4K. Select the 4K resolution option to start the conversion process. Next, go to the Color Correction menu and select the HDR option. HDR stands for High Dynamic Range, which enhances the color and contrast of your video. In this menu, you will see various HDR options, including HDR10 and HDR10+. Select the HDR option that best suits your video. Now, let's talk about key concepts. When converting low-quality video to 4K HDR, it's essential to understand the concept of upscaling. Upscaling is the process of enhancing the resolution of a video without losing its original quality. Capcut Mobile uses advanced upscaling algorithms to convert low-quality video into 4K HDR. To get the best results, it's essential to follow best practices. First, make sure your video is in a suitable format for upscaling. Second, adjust the brightness and contrast of your video to optimize its color and visibility. Third, use the color correction tools to enhance the color and saturation of your video. In practical terms, converting low-quality video to 4K HDR can be a game-changer for content creators. For example, if you have a video that was shot in low-light conditions, you can use Capcut Mobile to enhance its quality and make it look more professional. Similarly, if you have a video that was shot in a low resolution, you can use Capcut Mobile to upscale it to 4K HDR and make it look more cinematic. In conclusion, converting low-quality video to 4K HDR using Capcut Mobile is a straightforward process that requires some understanding of key concepts and best practices. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can enhance the quality of your video and make it look more professional. Remember to always adjust the brightness and contrast of your video, use the color correction tools, and follow best practices to get the best results.